Okay, what have we got here? This motley collection of bits and pieces is actually the lumbar adjustment module from BMW seat. This part is a pump, and these bladders inflate and give you the support in the back of the seat. This thing is a valve. There's various bits of wiring loom that I'm going to fit together, so see if we can work this out. It goes on there, the switch on here, the pump, and the valve. Okay, and this is the seat connector that goes under the seat and connects to the car's wiring loom. I'm going to hook it up just to a power supply. So we can get these connectors on here. Okay, so that's just doing 12 volts into there. So if I pick up the switch, hopefully something will happen. Try turning it on properly. There goes the pump, and you can see the bladders are inflating, and then if I press the down button, they deflate. I could probably demonstrate that a bit better by putting something over the, move all this round a bit. Okay, so here's a book, stick that on there, and let's see if we can pump it up. There we go, going up, going down. The interesting thing about this lumbar setup is you can actually adjust the height of the lumbar bulge in the seat by adjusting the air in the two bladders. So if I press the button to the side, it does that, and to the other side, it does that. And if I press that one, they both go. And that one, and hopefully it just lets the air out. And down it goes. Pretty nifty. That's about all there is to say about it.